blessed and honored to have with us our esteemed chief guest, M. Murali Garu, Deputy Collector of Bhadradri Kottagudem District, and our President, Reverend Sister Grace, guest of...
Sir, we wish you every success as you move forward in your distinguished public service career. May all your dreams be fulfilled. Our warm welcome to you, dear sir. Now, I kindly request Sister Soumya to welcome him with shawl and Mr. Rajendra Prasad sir to present a sapling. With great joy and deep respect, we extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to dear Sister Grace, the President of our school. Dear Sister Grace, we are truly grateful for your presence today. As an academician of exceptional caliber, you have played a significant role in shaping and guiding many young minds, nurturing in them a love for learning and commitment to excellence. Your vision for education and your relentless pursuit of academic standards continue to set a strong foundation for our institution. Your selfless service, your concern for the less fortunate, and your unwavering dedication to uplifting those in need reflect your deep sense of mission and humanity. These qualities make you not only a remarkable leader, but also a true embodiment of the values our institution stands for. Your leadership, wisdom, and steadfast commitment to the mission of our school continue to motivate and encourage each one of us. A very warm and sincere welcome to you, dear sister. Now, I request Sister Alfonsa to honor Sister Grace with shawl and Pushpalata ma'am to present a sapling. We also extend our warm welcome to all the fathers, sisters, and brothers who have graciously joined us today. Your presence brings blessings and encouragement to our school. I extend a cordial welcome to all our esteemed parents, dedicated teachers, and vibrant students of our school. Thank you for being here. Your presence makes this celebration meaningful. Each child here, we see the hope of incredible India. Their creativity, courage, and compassion reminds us that our nation's tomorrow is full of promise. They carry within them the potential to build a stronger and brighter nation. Once again, I warmly welcome each and every one of you to this celebration. Let us join together with joyful hearts to celebrate the talent, passion, and hard work that shine through every moment of today's program. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us celebrate excellence as we call upon our toppers to receive their medals.
These medals are not just awards, but symbols of discipline, dedication, and determination. Let us celebrate not just achievements and talents, but also the spirit of hope that has carried us through challenges, helped us rise after every fall, and inspired us to dream bigger.
Now, may I request our esteemed chief guest, M. Murli Garu, to give away the prizes to our achievers.
S. Dhanushri from 8th class. S. K. Nasreen from 9th class. M. Varshit from 7th class. B. Pragnateja from 6th class. Prajapat Gautam from 5th class. K. Navneet from 4th class. S. T. Jasmine from 3rd A. P. Shanvita from 3rd B. Thank you, sir. With great respect, now I invite Reverend Sister Grace to come forward and present the prize to the class with from 2nd B. P. Dushan from 1st A. K. Vency from 1st B. P. Uday UKG A. N. Anvita UKG B. P. Tanvishri LKG A. D. Shrestha LKG B. G. Rihanshi Nursery. Indian Brilliance Olympiad School Topper Prize goes to R. Raga Sharwani.